welcome to Enchanting Eyes, where every week we'll be bringing you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. Today's video is another challenge video for you today. So I have my unicorn sauce palette, and basically the challenge today is that we are going to number each of the individual colors, and then I'm going to pick 5 colors out of a hat and I'm going to have to create a look. And basically this is the look that I created. So if you want to see how I managed to get all these crazy colors to work together, or what the process was like, and you like fun challenge videos, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've got all the numbers 1 to 35 in here, and it is going to correlate with the palette. Okay, so 1 starting this way, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just going left to right like your eye would read it. That's how we're going to do it. And I've got all the numbers in my hat here, and let's just go ahead. I'm not gonna look. And I think we're gonna pick like 5 colors, like a transition color, outer corner, inner corner, whatever. Let's just see. Let's go for it. 5 colors. Don't give me green. Don't give me green. Number 24. Okay, can you even see it? No, you can't, but I promise it says 24. I'm just going to choose all of them first, I think, and then I'll show you the colors. Number 21. Maybe I should just shake this. Number 14. Number 27. Oh, I'm already seeing sort of what these colors are going to be. Number 26.
It's just 20.
And 114. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see what these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. Oh! Okay, it's not so bad as blue. Okay, this blue. At least that blue is really pigmented, okay? Okay, not so bad. Okay, 21. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Another blue. Okay, we can at least, you know, got a shadow color and a crease color. Shadow color. Center color, this shimmery blue color here. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Purple! Yay! So far so good palette. Okay, we've got this purple. And 27, a dark blue, a navy blue. Haha! Okay, and this navy blue, it looks black on camera, but it's navy blue. Alright, so we've literally got all 3 of these blues here. And wait, that's only 4. Oh, red.
Yes!
Oh, I missed one out. Okay, I got this red color here. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3 blues, a purple, and a red. Let me have a little tinkle about this. Wait, that means P, doesn't it? Tinkle? Let me have a think about this. Purple and blue would have been so easy, but then we just had to add red. Okay, I'm just gonna conceal my eyes. Catrice liquid camouflage. Let's just focus here. So we finally went ahead. I feel like this is really weird for it to be talking to you like now when you can just see my face so up close when it's the point of the eyeshadow. Anyway, but we've gone ahead and ordered proper lights for our room, which we're so excited about, that we're getting in April. So we've got like 3 big softbox lights. So in the meantime, we're just improvising with the little lights. So sort of just bear with us if the lighting is a little bit uneven or there's shadows. That's why we also will insert the little pictures of the final look, so you can see maybe like if you can't see all the detail properly. Wish me good luck. I'm going in with this matte blue, the lightest color. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my purple color. I initially thought, okay, I'm just going to put it over here, but I think it's actually going to be a bit more flattering to bring it out, like purple up here versus blue. Okay, so far I feel like it's looking pretty. Blue and purple do go really well together though, so we'll see how it goes until we add that red color. Okay, so I've just gone ahead and did this eye while our light was charging, and I'm gonna carry on doing this eye. Okay, so in the outer corner I'm gonna go ahead and do the navy blue. I've sort of been like changing this as I go, just because I'm like, oh, that could look nice. Oh no, those colors are insane. So I would definitely not say that this is a wearable day look. This is definitely like, I feel like this red and blue is giving me like superhero vibes. But this challenge is definitely a fun way to challenge. This challenge is a fun challenge. This challenge is a fun way to challenge yourself when it comes to colors and not just doing the same thing all the time. And just a little tip and trick while we are talking about this, and I've got blue on my face and everything, so just ignore all of that. But lately I've been putting my mirror like below my face, so that my eyes are tilting down. This is a good trick for somebody with deep set eyes like mine, because sometimes I feel like, yes, my eye makeup looks so good, and then you go and you take a selfie and you look down and you're like, oh, but there's this gap here because your eye just like travels in towards the back of your head. So putting your mirror down so you can really see towards the back of your eye. Okay, next I'm going to be putting the bright turquoise color all over my lid. And then I'm just going to blend the dark navy blue with the light blue. Okay, and then in the inner corner I'm going to go in with the shimmery blue. Okay, and then at this point I was like, where am I going to put this red shade at? So I decided to go in with a red liner. So I'm just going to use the red and a little angled brush and just like pack on the color as opposed to like dragging it out. I'm going to do my liner like that and clean up my face because I look like a hot mess. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this all up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and added on some lashes and some bronzer and highlight and blah blah blah. I did the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my under eyes now, and I think I'm gonna use the navy color. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next week. Bye!